Welcome to LiciaToday. So today we're going to work on seeing how we can laser engrave a Kraft bag that I got from the Dollar Tree. So this one is red, or it's kind of like a burgundy color. So I had an extra one. I used this type of bag for a sublimation video I did. And now we're going to try to do some laser engraving on it. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned. Let's go. So I'm hoping this will be pretty quick. Just use the settings that it has in xTool Creative Space. So I'm just going to do the back of the bag to start off. This is my first time doing it, so you guys will just be seeing how it goes the first time with me. All right, so I'm just going to set it here on the honeycomb, and I'm going to get a distance measurement. Hit this distance button here. This measures the distance from the material to the laser. Then I'm going to go here to mark processing area. I'm going to use rectangle, start marking. And then I'm just going to choose the area on the bag that I want to mark. So I'm just going to go right here and about right there. All right, so in xTool Creative Space, I'll do in marking. So then it's just, this shows me on the honeycomb, this shows me where I marked on the bag. So I'm just gonna go over here to shapes, and I'm just gonna pick something real simple to do real quick just to see how it turns out. So I'm gonna do a plant, and we can do this one. This looks cute. So we'll do this on the bag, and I'll just make it really big enough so that it'll fit inside the area that I marked. All right, so that looks good to me. So then I'm gonna go over here to material, and I'm gonna look for Kraft bag. So I'm gonna type in K-R-A-F-T, Kraft brown paper, 2mm Kraft paper. Brown Kraft paper or just Kraft paper? Let me see. So if I do Kraft paper and we do it on engrave, let me go out of this. So when I click it, it's saying that just the Kraft paper, 15 power, 140 speed. So what's the difference between the other one? Kraft, 15 and 140. See what this one says. 70 and 450. And then what's the other one? Kraft brown what does it say? Brown Kraft paper, 15 and 140. So it looks like the brown Kraft paper and just the regular Kraft paper, 15 140, have the same setting. So I'm just going to do just regular Kraft paper, and it's already set to engrave. So I'm just gonna try it with just the settings that are in xTool Creative Space for my xTool S1. So then I'm gonna close the lid. I'm gonna hit process to see how long it's gonna take. And it says it's gonna take about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna push start. So I push start, and then I'm gonna hit this button here in the front to start it. And I have my IF2 connected, and it's on automatic, so we'll see what it does. So far it's looking okay. So I'll get back to you guys once the 3 minutes up so we can see how it turned out with just using the settings in xTool Creative Space. All right, so it's all done. And that turned out really cute. See if I can get it to focus here. Probably the lighting. Yeah, so that looks really good. So that is just with the settings from, let's see, try to put it down a little bit more. That's just with the settings from xTool Creative Space for Kraft paper. And it looks like kind of just like burned it. I wonder if we can get it to like this color. because like, okay, so let's see. If you look in here, you can see that it did engrave, but I don't know if it didn't engrave that deep, like if it could be a little bit deeper, or if that's just how it looks. But I like that. I like the black tone to it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in laser engraving on some Kraft bags, colored bags from the Dollar Tree, then it looks like it's pretty simple, especially if you like to have this black color on the bag. And you can do like some really pretty designs on here, like a birthday design or Valentine's Day, since this is like a kind of like a burgundy kind of reddish color. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.